Colleen Francis. Thanks for joining me on today's Sales Leader Strategy. Many of you are getting ready to go back to work. Maybe you're already in the field making sales calls. And some of you are facing an unexpected obstacle. And that obstacle is that you're ready to see your clients, but they're not ready to see you. In fact, one of my clients in Louisiana just last week went to make a sales call with an existing customer, someone they had a long-term relationship with, and they were asked to sign a 62-page legal document outlining the terms and conditions for them to be allowed on site. So what do we do in these environments? Well, I think we need to be embracing video on an ongoing basis, because even if you sign that document, it might be uncomfortable for you and your customer to be on site. You'll undoubtedly have to wear PPE, you'll undoubtedly have to stay 6 feet away, and you probably won't get a chance to wander around the office as you normally would. In these cases, video is actually going to be a better way for you to build and maintain their relationship. And I think with your existing customers, the best place that you can use this is an ongoing quarterly, monthly, biannually business review process. Gather all of your customers together or separately in their spaces, all of your employees together again or separately in your offices, and conduct those business reviews through video conference. In doing so, you're going to find two things. One, they will include more of their people in these calls because it's easier, less effort, less threatening for them to join via video than they would have if they were on site. And two, you'll be able to improve and increase the cadence of these reviews on a more regular basis. You should be running them quarterly. Many of you only do them annually. And this format is going to allow you to run these more regularly because they're less effort for people to join. In doing so, it's going to be easier for your customer, easier for you, more cost-effective for you if you're not driving, and more engaging. So use video on your quarterly business reviews or your monthly business reviews with your clients, and it will help you enhance and grow the relationship. Thanks so much for joining me on today's Sales Leader Strategy. For more topics and discussions just like this, visit us on LinkedIn to make sure you're participating in our LinkedIn Live training sessions, and of course at engageselling.com.